don't fucking tickle, man.
Alright, tell me what to do with that cake, because I know it don't look right.
That's good enough, man.
No, use this because it hurts to make it look right now.
We gotta wash it. We gotta wash it. Gotta wash it, man. It's not fuck of the heart, man. Gotta get it right. You're missing a line, that's all. See the pen. Here, you hold the camera. Just fucking do it. Hold on. This is why it's good to have the UFRG. We got this nifty kickstand on the back, right? See this shit? Look at this. We're fucking animals, man. Technology pays, and it pays to know how to use it. Go fuck yourself if you don't. That's right. Tattoos.
You're obsessed with yourself.
No, I'm obsessed with this art, you fucking asshole. Let's go, man. Like this here.
You want to hit drop yourself real quick?
You're really just trying to get me to tattoo myself.
I just don't want to fucking
like this.
be a
See
blame
that?
for anyone that's mad at me.
No, just blaming nothing.
Blame it up. Blame it up.
Just put a line on the top of that letter there. You'll be alright.
You mean make this line on top thicker? I mean, I'm supposed to knock these all thick, right?
Nah, you want to leave the space on some of them, yeah.
No, I don't want to leave space on anything.
Look at that. That's a perfect shade in that one. It looks good. It looks good. My friend here likes to ride the barrel. I don't ride the barrel. But to each his own. If a man's tattooing your knuckles riding the barrel. I can't see now. No, I can't see. Clean that out. Alright. We got 4 to go. It's alright. 4 down, 4 to go.
Alright, we gotta fix that K up, dude.
You gonna do it?
I don't know. We're gonna put a mic it in. Let's go out a little bit here.
Right there.
Thicken it up. Go out a little here.
I think you should. But you know what? If you want, you can go bottoms on all of them. What you do is you take the liner.
Bang it out yourself, though.
You take the liner.
Okay.
You fucking meal, man. You see this shit? Fuck it.
Taping it up.
I'm taping it up.
I think I gotta fix my own K.
I gotta fix the.
What the hell is that?
Hold on. You believe this shit?
Got a kickstand on this bitch.
I got a kickstand on this bitch. That's right. And I gotta fix my own goddamn.
I'll hook you with power.
I gotta hook my own goddamn
Tell me
tattoo.
what you want power.
Hold on, give me some ink. Where's
You
the
got ink in that bitch.
Where's?
I'll give you
Alright.
It's too much ink. You're gonna be riding a barrel. It's too much ink.
No, I'm not riding nothing, man. I'm still running long stick. I'm a still long stick, right? I ain't got to tip out nothing. You just hit the pedal, alright?
Tell me when.
You just tell him to hit the fucking pedal, alright? Let it go, man. Let it go.
Thanks, Dad.
What? I had to do that. I was on the floor.
Yeah, you're...
Alright, we need a little more juice, man. Come on. She's getting like a pretty bitch there. She is.
Her?
No, not at all. Look at it. Better, man. You can control the depth. You know? You just play it out a little bit. See how I'm just playing them out a little bit? I don't want to fill them in to kill it. I don't want to fill them in because the end's not filled in, and I like how the end looks. The end came out perfectly. But see, I got just a little darker towards the end of the K, and it's how it gives it a little character. It's good money, man. It's good money. That's an ink, motherfucker. An ink. Alright, see that? And ink.
Go ahead and just...
Ink. Ink, bitch, ink. Ink, that's right. It's fucking ink. Ink for life. Inking. Yeah, and ink, like Lincoln, but different. Okay. Go fuck yourself, man.